Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to solve very difficult problem of 8085 programming language with this swapping of 2 8-bit numbers. Here you can see I am going to solve this. I am your friend Akash and please support my channel. Now let's start the video. First you can see I have written some programs here. First is LDA. LDA means load accumulator. Accumulator is a place where you could store a value. So the location is of 000. Here you can see 000 is a location where we have to give a single value. So the accumulator could store it. So for example, I give the value of 1 here. So the value of 1 is stored here in the accumulator. So accumulator value is now 1. Now the second step you can see which says MOV, which means move. Here you can see here it is a value already given which is 1. Now we have to transfer a value to b, where you see b is now equal to 1. So we have to transfer the a to 0, so a became now 0. Now the third step is again LDA, which means load. So this is a new location 0001. So this is also empty, so we have to give a value, any value we have to give. So I give here value of 2. So this became now 2. Now the next step is STA, which means store accumulator, where I have to store any value, like of value.
Start.
So now guys, you can see I have transferred the a value to b. So now a value became 0 and b is now 1. So you could see accumulator is empty. So you could have seen a new location which is 0001. So we have to give any value to this. For example, I will give the value of 2 here. So now accumulator value is now 2, which means a is 2. Okay, a got empty, so we have to again a is now 2. So you can see again the next step says that STL, it means store, where we have to store a, the accumulator value to the location of 000, which is here. You see here 000, we have to store the value of a in here. So this became again, this was already 0, now got 3. So this became empty. So this also gets 0. Okay, the value of this store now is 000 location, this gets even empty now. So now you can see again the next step says that move, where you could see that the a is now 0 because we have transferred to 0 location, so this became now 0. So now b value already guys, so b value is now 1. So b value is transferred to a, that means b gets 0, now a value is again 1. So we got the value of a which is 1. Now we could say again the next step says that STA, which means stores. Okay, store accumulator, where we have to store the a value to the location of 0001. So 0001 gets empty because we have transferred the value to this location. Now we have to store the value of a, which is now 1 to this location. So this gets 1. So I have stored, oh sorry, it's not this 1. We store the value of 1 here. So this is how it ends. Hot means end, and you can see we have swap. Before it was 000 location had 1, 0001 had 2. Now you guys see it got swap. So this is how I end my video, and especially I want to thank my teacher myself for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Dhanyawad.